Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you how to make this 10-minute mouth-watering nachos. They're a great snack, party appetizer, or even dinner. Toppings for nachos can run the range of your imagination, but today I'm showing you a classic version of nachos, which everyone can make, but feel free to mix and match with your favorite ingredients. Fun fact, nachos are delicious enough to carry 2 holidays, and look at how cheesy it is when I dig in. Before getting into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel with the notifications bell turned on to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. First up, I'm going to grate a carrot. The one thing that I absolutely love about this recipe is that you really don't even need to measure the ingredients. It's one of those dishes where you can just throw the ingredients in a plate and you'll get a great dinner. They are perfect to whip up while guests are over and you're looking for something quick and simple to make. So these are all the ingredients for this recipe. I'm using Dorito chips, which are nacho cheese flavored, but you can use any of your favorites. I'm also using hot chili beans. They're actually not too spicy. A lot of shredded mozzarella cheese. I bought the pre-grated cheese as it's way faster, but you can always grate a block of cheese. Sour cream, cucumbers, and grated carrot. I'm going to add a layer of cheese on the plate first. Now I'm going to open this chili beans can. It took me a while to figure it out, but I eventually got there. And you're going to pour everything into a microwavable bowl because you're going to microwave it for 1 minute. And beans add a lot of extra protein and fiber to this recipe. Place handful of chips on the plate and distribute evenly, minimizing the gaps between the chips. You can use any type of Dorito chips, just avoid the thin kind. You want thick chips so they don't break when you lift them. If you have younger children or older grandparents who have trouble eating, I recommend using round chips, since the pointed ends of the triangular shaped chips can sometimes be cumbersome for those dinners. Now you can top it up with mozzarella cheese. You can use any type of cheese, but I prefer mozzarella cheese as it's way more cheesy than any other cheese. Look how cheesy and yummy it looks. Don't you want to try it? Now you can microwave the plate for 1 minute. Make sure you don't microwave the vegetables as the vegetables dry out. You can now place any vegetables you like. So we're only adding cucumbers and carrots, and we're also putting a boiled egg after. You can add any vegetables you like. You can also eat these nachos with sour cream. I personally am not a big fan of it, but my parents love it. Hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, with the notifications bell on to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. Bye!